56.
So like every
Ito,
time I
dyan.
purchase or
Ah,
go
56.
to
$1
somewhere else
ah.
and then go pay,
Then,
Yes.
click mo to
Scan to pay?
voucher.
and then
Usually,
yung, ano,
we'll go
yung,
from here.
yung KYC mo.
Usually,
So, binayaran
I
ka.
will do-
Nag-KYC ka na,
because I
binayaran
know
ka ng $1.
sometimes I miss that.
what?
Ba?
They paid you
Ang lupit,
$1.
nag-KYC ka na, binayaran ka ng company $1?
Oo, yes,
We need
exactly.
to
And you need to
register
convert
the-
Piati,
Yeah, I already
then
have
swipe.
Yeah. because
Ang lupit.
Very familiar.
because
Converting
sometimes
Piati.
when you're
Now, it's
Earlier
converting
was-
USDT,
Piati.
convert to fiat?
Yes.
Oh, like the up and down.
They're sending you the $1 to your account
Every
in
time you
Gcash.
enter, we will see this page, right?
Mhm.
Usually we'll go for scan
Scan
to
to
pay.
pay,
But
Pag nag-KYC ka, may pera ka?
do
Yes.
a login. So my style, I will
Go
go
to
to
wallet.
wallet.
If you up,
Okay.
Ang dami
Do that
nag-KYC
KYC.
nito.
Already log in.
exactly.
And then I scan to pay.
Alright.
Eh, mas matindi to sa ano?
Just that.
Tapos
Pay with
na.
crypto. So,
Ayun, no?
56 pesos.
Scan will be successful.
Naku, yun o.
Screenshot.
So maybe this one like
Ang
takes
lupit
one
nun,
shot
ah.
if I use this.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
It's a while.
How much your money there? 2,000?
2 million.
2,000 pesos. So, I will back here.
Yan.
Kung paliwanag mo mamaya kung
1-2 na lang. Tingnan mo.
2,600.
2.6 na.
Before 2,500, right?
Oo.
Okay. Let's do again.
Oo!
Hey, let's do again. May again pa?
Yes.
That's more!
One more.
Let's do again.
Click. Select image.
Okay, kinuha na naman yung ano, yung picture-picture lang.
So, success.
Oh, this,
So,
this
put
is
one for $3. 165. So, they showing
165.
you here 165.
Voucher, pakita mo. Voucher 1.
Wala.
Wait.
May nakalagay na 1.
Oh, voucher pa pala. 05 voucher eh. Ang lapit ng system nito. Crypto to fiat. Fiat to crypto. Hindi.
Excited ka po.
Lock.
Oh, lock.
May lalabas yung voucher na ko ilan.
One.
Nugot. Verify nugot.
Wait. Is converting.
Battery.
Ilan dapat? At least $3?